Hey guys, what's up? This is me, Yoshi here. Thank you for joining me today at All Things Akimi to catch another video. In today's video, I am going to be sharing my Notiq's order with you. If you want to see what I picked up, then stick around. Okay, I just received my order today and it came in a larger box, but I ordered 2 planner covers. So there are 2 smaller boxes packed inside of this big box. And the sizes that I ordered this time, I have a personal rings planner, and I also ordered another half letter disc bound cover. And I currently have several Notiq's covers already, so these will just be added to my collection. The half letter one that I did get, I'll be able to just I'll switch it out with one of my other covers in my catch-all planner or my work planner. And the personal size one, I think I have an idea of what of how I want to use it and how I'm going to set it up. I currently don't use a ring planner right now in my lineup, but I wanted to add one to it, so I decided to go with the personal size. I'm excited to see how both of these are, as it being one of her winter releases, I think it was, with the different Croc textures. So I'm gonna open this one. I'm not sure which planner is in which box, but as you can see, her packaging is really nice, really nice. So let's open this one up first. Set this box to the side. So it comes packaged very well. I always try to remove this sticker without ripping the paper. Sometimes I can and sometimes I can't. So there we have this planner. It's all wrapped in, included with the dust bag. So nice. So this first cover is the half letter Croc, all black, and her logo here is also black. So I could use this one to if I wanted to switch out my half letter system. I already use a black one. I already use a black Notiq cover in my work planner. So if I switch out my catch-all planner, see how it looks. If I switch this one to the black cover, I think I'm going to change the disc to clear. I think I'm going to do the clear disc that I have. I really like this Croc. I wasn't sure if it was going to be me or not, but it is totally me. So that fits and looks nice. It looks nice even with the gold disc, but like I said, I think I'm going to switch those out. So just put this to the side. And so the other one that I have over here is the personal size rings. So let's get this one opened up. Like I said, I think I have an idea how I want to use this. I kind of probably will use it as a carry, everyday carry. I don't know about if I'll actually use it as a wallet, because right now I've been using a speaking of wallet, because I want to switch out my wallet how I have it set up, but I've been using a Moterm cover as my wallet, and I have the skinny size mini HP planner in there, so I've been using that. So I think I may just revamp that. Let me show you right quick how I have it set up. Hold on one moment. So this is the wallet that I've been using, and this is a Moterm. I'm not sure, I can't remember, but it fits one of the Hobonichi style planners. So this is how I just have that set up for my wallet. I have a place here where I can keep cash. Of course, you have several pockets. So this is the skinny mini sized planner, and I have my cards there in the back. So I think I may just revamp this and continue to use this as a wallet if I think this personal rings is too large for me for just to carry in my bag every day. And so in this box, we have here her thank you notes, which are always so thoughtfully written. And also, so there's a thank you note here, and some notes on a notepad, and a card that has her mission statement. Same as with the other one. This one is packaged well too. And the tissue paper that has sticker that has her logo on it, a Notiq brand. And we have the dust cover for this one as well. I think I'm really gonna like the size of this one. Oh yes. So this is the personal rings. It's nice. It's about the size of a, feels like the size of a mini happy planner size. Just to compare it. So that's how it feels in my hands. And this one has her logo here on the closure in black too. Move this stuff out of the way. And it has the black rings. Has a really tight closure, tight clap, tight snap there. And it has pockets, credit card pockets in it, you know, pockets in the back. Have a pocket here and a larger pocket there, and one large in the front, and like this heart shaped, that's the way I call it. I'm not sure what it's called exactly, but in the front there. Oh, so I can't wait until to set this up to see how I'm going to actually use it. As far as a carry-all wallet type situation, I think this would be too big for me for a wallet, but it would definitely be good enough, the perfect size to carry, just to have a planner on the go with me. So that's what I'm going to use this one for. So those are the two new Notiq covers that I purchased from her recently. I'll be adding these to my collection. Thank you for stopping by and joining me today on this unboxing and showing these beautiful covers from Notiq. I would really appreciate it if you left thumbs up or leave any comments in the comments section below. Thank you again. See you on the next video.